Hello, everyone. So, I hosted my first virtual concert a few months ago through Zoom, and I thought it would be a good idea to explain how I put the whole thing together because I wanted the families to appreciate the enormous time and energy that went into getting all the students together on the computer screen. I also wanted the children to reflect on how they did this whole thing while in this new crazy remote learning situation. I was a little nervous about talking too much on Zoom and losing my audience, so I put together this 2-minute video I'm about to share. I think it did the job pretty well. I hope you'll consider joining me for the Smart Music Virtual Summit on April 24th. I'll be discussing why music educators should include virtual performances as a core element of their future curriculum. I hope you enjoy this 2-minute video. Thank you. 2, 3. Thanks for watching. Take care.